1978, a crack team of disco mercenaries were sent to a military court for a crime they didn't commit. These musicians promptly escaped a maximum security anti-funk stockade and disappeared into the New York underground. Today, still wanted by the government, they survive as disco soldiers of fortune. If you have a funk problem and no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire Disco Inferno.
Are you ready? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the greatest celebration of the grooviest era of music known to man. That's right, baby. I'm talking DISCO. Now get your boogie shoes on, cause we about to burn this floor up.